What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at Uber Eats and I'm gonna be showing you how to use their amazing gift cards to pay for Uber Eats delivery. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So guys, as you know, the internet and the world is filled with gift cards these days, so it's not exception for the Uber Eats as well. You can find amazing gift cards online. You can even find them online selling or some competitions, giveaways, and so on and so forth. You can even win gift cards with Uber Eats. So guys, if you already have that gift card, how to actually use it? Well, there is a really simple and easy way to redeem your gift card, and we're gonna go straight to it. So if you have that respectful gift card about Uber Eats, what you need to do is visit your Uber Eats profile inside the app. From there on, check your payment methods and click on Add Prepaid Card. Type your secret code and then click Redeem, and you can enjoy your balance from there on. So what you need to do is enter Uber Eats app, go to your profile and check your payment methods. Click on Add Prepaid Card and type in the secret code you got with the gift card or on it, and then just enjoy your balance. The money from the gift card will be showcased on your profile. So guys, overall that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.